Hang on, check yourself.
What?
Apparently, it only takes a minute to get a crush on someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. An hour to like someone.
Yeah.
And a day to love someone. But
Okay.
it takes a lifetime to forget someone.
Honey.
That's right.
Honey.
Yes.
You forgot me at Target last week.
Did you bring it?
No, I didn't bring a better attitude. Already been demoted to the passenger seat, so shut up and drive me home.
Talk to the hand.
Bring a better attitude.
Triple Zero, how can I help you?
Can you please send an ambulance?
Yes, ma'am. Can you please tell me what happened?
My husband's fainted. Well, we're having an argument and he made some good points and he was actually right and I told him that he was right and he fainted.
Not a problem, ma'am. We're sending ambulance immediately. We see this happen every now and then. He's in a severe shock from hearing something he never expected.
Okay, hurry.
Hey, honey, you want a glass of wine?
No, thank you. Coffee, please.
Here you go, honey.
Thank you.
So, what did you get up to today?
Not much. Started a juice cleanse and did a bit of cardio.
Bullshit. What did you actually do?
Had 3 glasses of wine and fell downstairs.
Yeah, that makes more sense.